This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Rachel Kosmak. Investor Special. This single-family home with adjacent vacant lot presents an exciting opportunity for those with a keen eye for design and renovation. This residence holds immense potential for transformation into a modern masterpiece. Located in the heart of Dania Beach, this unique 4-bedroom, 2-bathroom home has a guest house, 1-bedroom apartment and a 1-car garage. Courtyard with mango, avocado, coconut and other tropical trees surrounding the property. Endless potential. Conveniently situated near Fort Lauderdale Airport, shopping, dining, schools, parks, and entertainment options, ensuring you have everything you need within reach. Whether you're planning to build your forever home or looking for a sound investment, this property is an excellent choice. For more information, review the details below or contact Rachel Kosmak at 954-491-3100.